He's got to be on a bed.
That's a big one.
Guys, it's a nice smallie.
Hey guys,
Oh, he spit it. Spit it.
Oh no. I just dropped that sometimes.
Got one.
Got him?
Yeah.
Almost got another one. Oh, there you go.
Get the net. I think it might be the same guy. Got one. All right, get the net. Pass me the net.
I got it for you.
Keep him down. You're gonna net him for me? All right.
Guys, almost got a nice smallmouth.
On the drop shot. Let's not let him jump. No, don't jump. All right, you can net him. He's hooked pretty good, I think. They fight so hard. Dude, he's so small, but he's like fighting like a 5-pounder.
Oh, almost there. Oh, we're drifting in a circle.
It's alright. You got the trolling motor next, though.
Yeah. Sadly.
You got him?
Right.
Get the net down there.
Got him.
Sweet. Nice little guy. Got him on the, ooh, feisty. Damn. Got him on the Geijo drop shot. Sick. We're just fishing this little shoal. We don't know if they're in a pre-spawn or just spawning. We haven't seen any like red tails or anything like that, so just gonna keep fishing this little area. That's a good little guy. Alright, nice little guy. Here's the release. Jack's got one. Nice one. Here, I got the net for you.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go.
Dude, it's like this. They're everywhere. These same size. It's a good little guy.
Good one. Thank you.
Jack's got one again. Let me cast in there. It might be a good one.
Oh yeah, good one. Look at that net.
He's pulling drag.
Yeah, I got it loose for a reason.
Alright.
Still love smallmouth so much.
It's another male, I think. Yeah, just bring it right over here.
Nice.
Great fish. I think you got your bait, but
yeah, it's got
sick.
soaked with water.
Yeah. Nice fish from Jack.
There he goes.
Alright, I got a little smallie. Oh, big smallie behind it, big smallie behind it. Cast right there, cast right there, cast right there. Dude, it's massive. You're gonna get him, you're gonna get him. What are you doing, what are you doing? Dude, he's humongous. Now, Jack, please get him. Please get him.
You guys know I just got one.
Jack's about to land this massive monster. You can come for it? Alright guys, here's a little guy. There's a bigger one right in there. Gotta grab the trolling motor real quick. Hope Jack gets him. Anyway, he's gonna get this guy's bigger brother real quick. Here's the release.
Alright, got that one. There you go.
Oh shit, that's atrocious.
Oh no.
Yeah. Dang it. Oh, I got him. Got him. Oh, I got him. I think I do. Oh, he's under the boat. No, he got a small one. It's a smaller one. It's another male.
Man.
Dude, there's so many back here.
You need help or no?
Nah. Oh, dude, he's pulling. That'd be awesome. Alright, ready? So I got. There he goes. There we go. Got him. Got him.
I just got that one. Another
Sweet.
good.
Second guy. Ooh. He's a little feisty.
Yo, I'm not, I got three.
It's a nice little guy. They're all small. I think there's a bunch of males with one big female over here. Let's see if we can get the female though. It's a nice little guy.
Might break off.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not gonna fight him too hard.
He might be like a 25, 27.
Nah.
Yeah, he's huge. I saw him in the water. He's big. He's big.
Don't break me off, please.
Look at him.
He's right there. Got a
Oh,
pike.
can you drag a little bit?
Yeah. Call.
Yes, giant pike.
Dude, how am I not breaking off?
That's awesome. See him in the water.
Holy. That's a big pike.
Giant pike.
Alright, get down there, get down there. Yo, come on. I'm taking a picture of this thing. Oh yeah, it is. All you need is the head. He's gonna get scared. You gotta get down. He's gonna dart. Oh.
Jill, don't do that.
Don't do what? Get him.
Yeah, to come over by you. Oh no, he's back there.
Get him. Come on.
Ryan.
Get him. Get him. Come
Go
on.
on, go on, come on, come on, come on.
I can't. I'm not gonna. I don't want to break my line. Get him.
Oh,
Yes. Let's go.
Should I bring him up?
Yeah.
Oh, giant.
Dude, he's.
You want to
Stop
measure him?
flopping.
I think I can. I have my scale can measure.
Okay. Actually, we'll leave him in the water.
Leave him in the water?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to hold
Guys,
it?
big pike, 23-inch pike. Got it on the drop shot. I don't know how it didn't break my line. Let's see if I can get a release here. I gotta touch my thing. They're really slimy. Hold them in there for a little bit. Goes right back down. Damn. Guys, I got one. Nice smallie. Oh, it might be. It's a largie.
Is it a largie?
Yeah,
Oh, it's a big one.
big largie.
Hey guys, another morning here. Sunday morning. No one picked up this nice large now. Right off the rocks. Pretty surprised.
Oh shoot. He's hanging with the smallies. Oh great. Good job. Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Is it on Dad?
All right, get him. Quick. It's a good largie.
Bring him up, bring him up.
Scoop him.
Oh,
Good job.
big in.
Big largie.
2.5, 3?
Probably. Yeah, that's the
Oh,
biggest
about a
one.
3-pounder. Definitely get a pick with this guy. You're releasing in a minute.
Nice one.
Come on,
Yeah.
Wayne.
Yeah, I'd say he's like 3. Sick. 3 pounds largie. Early morning. Release here. There he goes. That. That's big.
Good smallie. Alright guys, just hooked up with a nice smallie.
Is it a smallie?
Yeah. So,
Could be a largie. Nah, it is smallie. He hasn't jumped yet. He's just putting up a good fight, it looks like. He jumped the net.
yo.
Sweet. It's a good one. I don't know. That is a good bass. It's a good.
Guys, no one's got a good. I think it's largie, right?
I think it's smallie actually.
Smallmouth?
Dude, he jumped like that. Holy cow.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one.
Drop the motor. start in those big circles.
Oh my god, don't go in the motor. Oh, we might hit the island.
Go the other way, go the other way. It's a big smallie, dude.
It is.
Very big.
Get him, get him, get him. Yes! Let's go.
Dude, that's like
Let's
a
go.
freaking. That's like a 3. Maybe 2.5.
2.5, yeah. You got yeah, I'm good. Alright guys. Nice smallie on the crankbait. It's like 2.5 pounds. Let's get the release. Here he goes.
Alright, guys, I got one.
It's pretty big.
Oh, dude, it's a giant.
Oh, he's going this way, this way. Let me get this out of here. Let me get this out of here.
Go get the net.
Got
Let's
him.
go!
That is a good smallie.
Oh, let's go! Let's go! Dude, wait. Oh, that's a big one.
Good shit.
That's a big one. Oh, no. Ow. Oh, that's a tank. Oh, that's a tank. I'm getting a pick with this one.
3.5 pound bass. Nice fish.
Well, I caught 5 today so far. I caught 6 yesterday. Right? Then I caught 6 today.
There's one. It's coming towards the boat. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one.
Move the boat, move the boat, move the boat.
Yo, you gotta get.
I get it now.
You wanna get back here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's big. It's in full reverse. Yeah, you got it. I'll get up here. Oh, he's pretty big. I might need to grab the net myself.
You guys over here? You get him?
Nah. Oh, I got him. Here we go. Let's go. That's a good one. It's like 2.5, 3. Got one. It's a nice one. Oh shit, he's blundering. Yeah. I'm gonna have to large you.
Go hard.
Pretty good. Come on. See if I can get him with this net. Nah, I got it.
That's
Beautiful. Alright, we think it's like 3 pounds. Get a nice release on him. Caught him on a crankbait. We get some more before we gotta go.